How to fix error 8024402F, protection definition update failed on Windows 11. To fix error 8024402F, protection definition update failed on Windows 11. Try 1. Ensure you have enough disk space for Windows 11 system. 2. Set the correct date and time. 3. Temporarily disable Windows Update service. 4. Make sure that Windows security is enabled by igbedite.msc. Hint: set disabled or not configured for turn off Microsoft Defender antivirus at computer configuration administrative templates Windows components Windows Defender antivirus. 5. Make sure that every dependency is enabled and running automatically. Background Intelligent Transfer Service, COM plus Event System, DCOM Server Process Launcher, Remote Procedure Call, RPC. 6. Perform a clean install or repair install your Windows.